Namaste dear friends, welcome once again to my YouTube channel Suhas Entertainments and Cultural Activities. So today we are taking up a very special topic, that is Sri Ramashtotra Shatanamavali Puja in Shloka Rupa. Everywhere Ramotsava is going on. Elsewhere it is being concluded. Somewhere it is some 10-12 days of festival, somewhere it is a month long, somewhere it is 2 months long. Likewise, every day we have music festivals, especially classical devotional music going on this auspicious occasion of Ramotsava 2024. World over it is going on. So in this holy occasion we are taking up Sri Ramashtotra Shatanamavali Puja in Shloka Rupa today. As usual, I will be giving the lyrics on the YouTube screen. Slowly I will chant these slokas. There are about 17 to 18 slokas which gives the full 108 names of Lord Sri Ramchandra. So slowly I will chant and slowly the lyrics will appear on the YouTube screen. Those who already know well and good, those who are interested to learn, those who don't know can take snapshot and then mug up these wonderful shlokas and recite every morning and evening and give wonderful good benefits. So that is it. Here I go. Shri Ramo Ramabhadrascha Ramachandrascha Shashvatah Rajivalochana Shriman Rajendro Raghupungavah Janaki Vallabho Jaitro Jitamitro Janardanah Vishwamitra Priyo Dantash Shantash Sharanatranatparah Vali Pramathano Vagmi Satyavak Satyavikramah Satyavrato Vradatarah Sada Hanumadashrayah Kausaleyah Kharadvamsi Viradhavada Panditah Vibhishana Paritrata Harakodanda Khandanah Saptatala Prabheta Cha Dashagriva Shiroharah Jamadagni Mahadarpadanastatakantakaha Vedantasaro Vedatma Bhavarogasya Bheshajah Dushana Trishirohanta Trimurtis Trigunatmakah Trivikramas Trilokatma Punyacharitra Kirtanah Triloka Rakshako Dhanvi Dandakaranyakattanah Ahalya Shapashamano Pitrubhakto Varapradah Jitendriyo Jitakrodho Jitro Jitamitro Jagadguru Rukshavanar Sanghati Chitrakuta Samashayah Jayantatranavardano Sumitra Putra Sevitah Sarvadevadidevascha Mrutavanar Jivanah Maya Manusha Maya Maricha Mahadevo Mahabhujah Sarvadevastata Somyo Brahmano Munisamstutah Mahayogi Mahodaraha Sugrivepsita Rajyadah Sarva Punyadhikabala Smruta Sarvadhanashanah Adipurusha Paramurusho Mahapurusha Evacha Punyodayo Dayasaraha Purana Purushottamah Maya Manuscharitro Mahadevadipujitah Mitavatro Mitabhashi Purvabhashi Charagavah Ananta Gunagambhiro Dhiro Dharta Gunottamah Maya Manuscharitro Mahadevadipujitah Setu Krujjita Varashi Sarvatirthamayo Hari Shamanga Sundara Shuraha Pitavasa Dharudharaha Sarva Yagnadhapo Yagva Jara Maranavarjitah Sarva Yagnadhipo Yagva Jara Maranavarjitah Shivalinga Pratisthata Cha Sarva Purnavarjitah परमात्मा परब्रह्म सच्चिदानंद विग्रह परंज्योति परंधाम पराकाश परात्परः परेश पारग पारः सर्वदेवात्मकः परः इति श्री सीता लक्ष्मण भरत शत्रुघ्न श्री सीता लक्ष्मण भरत शत्रुघ्न हनुमत् समेत श्री सीतारामचंद्र अष्टोत्तर शतनामावली स्तोत्र पूजा संपूर्णम्. So this is the Ashtotra Shatanamavali in Shloka Rupa. Ashtotra Shatanamavali of Lord Sri Ramchandra. So I have given in this Shloka Rupa. Slowly I have chanted the shlokas 17 to 18 in number, and these lyrics have appeared. Those interested, please take snapshot of Nagap and recite daily morning and evening and reap wonderful good benefits. So that is it. In the next upcoming video, we will take up one more such wonderful Ashtotra Shatanamavali Puja in Shloka Rupa. Until then, bye for now. This is Suhas Devi signing off for Suhas Brahmins Matrimony Channel Bangalore 11. As usual, all those Brahmins worldwide who wish to avail my matrimony services for a nominal cost, please catch me direct on 8762331815. My number is coming on the YouTube screen. Thank you. Hari Om Swasti. Jai Shri Ram. Namaste.